Hello everyone, welcome back to University Study Guide YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the PhD admission notification for Vellore Institute of Technology (VIT). So here we'll discuss all the important dates, eligibility, different subjects, PhD and integrated PhD subjects are available. So we'll keep this video very short. So please try to watch the video till the end so that you will get all the detail of this notification. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications regarding different PhD, UG, PG and research admissions in different reputed universities in India and abroad. Here you can check our past videos. This is our official YouTube channel. So let's begin the video. So as you can see, we are into the official website of this VIT. There you can see the research admission process. That is, once you click on the research admission, in the right hand side there you can check the research admission. So here also, if you will click on this, there will be a brochure. Once you click on this brochure will open. Okay, so let us zoom this brochure. So we'll discuss all the important aspect of this. So here you can see it is the information brochure for the admission of research program, that is from December 2021. Alright, so there you can see the different states of India, 41 different countries. Okay, all the VIT students from all over the world, they are studying here. Alright, so there you can see the program at the various schools offered by the various schools like Vellore, Chennai, okay, that is Andhra Pradesh, and VIT Bhopal. Alright, so there will be 4 campuses. You can find the PhD program. So there you can see the schools of advanced sciences. You can check here. Okay, whatever things are available, it is there or not, you can check here. Okay, alright, so there you can check the different math, physics, chemistry, geology are under SAS. Okay, so there is under SAS. English, psychology, sociology, these are under SSL, and both CS and IT are under the scope. Okay, management science are under BATBS, and thermal, automotive, material sciences, design, manufacturing, it is under the SMAC VIT Chennai campus. Right, so there you can check the different schools under the different subjects and different institution name. So what will be the minimum qualification for this PhD admission? It is 10 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 or equivalent to PhD in engineering. Okay, and this is for non-engineering category, that is 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2, that is all the master's degree. Here also it is also including master's degree, here also it is master's degree. And for the integrated MTech program and integrated MS program, you need to have 10 plus 2 plus 5 years of integrated MTech program or integrated MS program in engineering, integrated MS in biotechnology, and any non-engineering. For a PhD in engineering, master degree in engineering or technology in the relevant discipline with minimum 60% of mark of all the years or semesters. So whatever marks are awarded as the CGPA, it is 6.5. Alright, so also MSc in engineering, MS by research or MTech by research, these are also qualified. Okay, so there are also some important things are given. So at least 60% mark is necessary, or 6.5 on a CGPA, it is on the based on the 10-point scale. Alright, so let's see what are the categories and eligibility. Both internal, full-time and part-time programs are available, but the part-time program is only available for the BIT Chennai and VIT Bhopal campuses. Not all the campuses, only 2 campuses are providing the part-time program. Okay, so there you can see who can opt for the part-time program, that is laboratories run by the CSIR or Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, etc. Public sector undertaking with research and development units. So they can apply for the part-time program. Okay, our private industry recognized by the Department of Science and Industrial Research, Government of India, they can also apply. So how the selection will be done? So for the NRI candidates, so foreign nationals or foreign NRI candidates can register in this link. Okay, so there is a link given, so after that they can apply. So the fees will be payable in the USD only. Alright, so what is the minimum period of study? You all know that it is 30 months for full-time research scholars, it is 36 months for the part-time research scholars. Integrated PhD will be submission of thesis for the 4 years, so maximum it will be 4 years. Right, so PhD, how the selection procedure will be done for the national candidates? Okay, so due to the COVID-19 there will be no entrance test. This is a very big information. Okay, so selection will be on the basis of the PG mark, statement of research proposal as per the template and interview, so and the PG mark sheets. Alright, so there will be no entrance exam like the other PhD programs, other PhD programs in the different universities. So only your PG mark and a statement or research proposal that the committee will select your name. Similarly, for the integrated PhD, no entrance test will be done. Okay, only your BE BTech mark sheets and statements will be taken into the interview panel, and it will be discussed. Along with that, your PG marks. Okay, so there will be an custom money, tuition fee, total thesis fee. There you can check. So I am skipping this part. So there will be a fellowship available, as I have discussed in the beginning. The full-time scholars will get a 20,000 per month for the 3 years. An internal full-time scholar admitted into the PhD program will get the fellowship of 12,000 per month for the first 2 years and 20,000 per month for the next 2 years. Alright, so there you can check. And the internal full-time scholars, those who have get score percentage of 80 and above, will fellowship of 25,000 per month. So you can check your GATE score along with that. So there you can check. Some important email IDs are given, there you can check. Alright, so important dates, let us see what are the important dates. So last date of submission will be 30th of October. Okay, so and the date of online interview will be conducted by the respective campus during 17 November to 20th November, and declaration will be result on the 1st of December, and tuition fee and everything will be deposited by 10th of December, and after that the classes will be and the program will start. So I hope you got all the information regarding this Vellore VIT University PhD program. So if you like this information, please press the like button, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. You can check our other past videos available in our website and in our YouTube channel, and please join our Telegram and other social media handles. Links are in the description. So thanks for watching this video. See you soon in another video.